Hey guys, it's me, Diesel again. Finally coming at you with it's either the third or the fourth cheese video. I haven't had a video in a while because I just started going to college. I'm majoring in dairy science. So yeah, this cheese it's been like 2 months since it's been out here, so it's probably gonna be like, I'd say uh, extra cheesy, if you know what I mean. But yeah, let's go check that out. Alright, I haven't seen this place in months, so leave it red. I haven't been back here in a long time. Alright, let's get this metal off of it. And we're gonna kick this over. Holy. I think we're gonna have to open it up. I can already smell it coming through the bag, so I think I see a bug in there. I don't know what's going on. Alright, so here goes the smell test. Alright, I got a piece of the cheese cut off and it smells really bad, and I don't really want to, but I got to try it. Alright, here's the cheese out on the plate. As you can see, the inside looks a lot different from the outside. Yeah, it's not looking too hot. Alright, here goes nothing. So if I had to describe what that tasted like using something else, I'd have to say it tasted like if you just took a bar of soap and then just bit right into it, you know what I mean? Because that might have been the worst thing I've tasted. I need to go back in and say I couldn't swallow it. I'm really sorry. I tried, and once I tried, I threw it up. Well, I guess that's it, folks, for the video. I think it's good. Not good. The cheese was not it. I can't not recommend that enough. It tasted bad, and don't do that. But